Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our leading stocks via our proprietary scans for the coming session. This is going to be for Wednesday, August 27th, 2014. As you can see from the volume deviations here, we've got a very, very low volume day going. We are definitely stacked up here on the buy side as far as the signals go, but aside from the low volume, there's no other deviations standing out, at least not for right now. Moving on to the financials, similar condition, mostly light volume except for the exception of Goldman Sachs, which is trading some decent volume. Unfortunately, that one does not have a signal associated with it this time, but we do have a few upside CPS signals to take a look at. Moving on to the energy names, really good strength in RIG. That was 3% above the day's open. We got what's probably going to be a volume bump here in PBR with a contra candle. Moving on to the generals, mostly late volume again today, except for Best Buy. That's about 2% below the day's open, so it was playing out as expected from yesterday. The shares of VMware also have a deviation. That one's an open close deviation. That one's trading good volume. It has a downside CPS. Housing names, very light volume. One buy signal, Home Depot to the upside. That's got an upside CPS. Transport's exceptionally light volume here for the most part, with a couple of upside signals indicated. And finally, moving on to the commodities, a couple of upsides, AA, ACH, and FCX. But note those are not precious metal names. Those are more material names. No volume bumps and no deviations, either open close or VWAP in this particular sector. So kind of a very, very light volume day. Have to see if we get a little bit something better to work with tomorrow. And thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.